Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope that you are doing fantastic by the mercy of the Almighty Allah. Today I am going to conduct a speaking test. He is a student of batch 26. In profession he is a farmer, and I have to inform you that he completed his SSC examination in 2012. He had a long gap, he had a huge gap before joining Rahat's English Care. After a long gap he joined us, and finally he completed his 2 months course, and now I'm going to ask him some basic questions. You will understand whether he has improved or not. Well, first of all, please tell me your full name.
My full name is Mohammad Said Rahman, and my family member and friends loves to call me MD Said.
MD Said.
Said.
Okay, Mr. Said. Are you married or single?
I'm married.
Do you have any children?
Yes, sir. I have one child, MD Muqtadir Ahmed.
How old is he?
He is 2 years old.
Well, when did you marry?
I married 2022.
Do you have any favorite color?
Yes, sir. I have a favorite color is white because it is symbol of purity, and white color is suit me.
Do you have any favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza and
Pizza. Well, that's good. When do you get up in the morning?
Actually, sir, I am a morning person. I get up in 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. And when do you go to bed every day?
I go to bed every day 10 or 11
10 or 11 p.m. Now I'm going to ask you some questions about your educational background. Tell me something about
Actually, sir, I passed SSC batch 2012 and HSC batch 2014 and 2018 graduation completed. There are long time gap my study.
You are from Noga?
No, sir, I am from Dinajpur.
You are from Dinajpur. Can you please say something about Dinajpur?
Dinajpur is a small city, but it is beautiful city.
Beautiful.
Beautiful city. There are a lot of people live there.
Thank you.
Dinajpur is famous lychee and aromatic rice.
Lychee and aromatic rice. Well, thank you very much. You were our residential student, right?
Yes, sir. I am a residential student.
And you have been living in our students' hostel.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, what is your experience or what is your opinion about our hostel?
Actually, sir, hostel is very beautiful. There are a lot of students live there. There are food is very delicious.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is rose.
Your favorite flower is rose. Has anyone ever given you a rose?
Yes, sir.
Who has given you a rose?
Actually, sir, my wife was my girlfriend.
Oh, I see. She was your girlfriend.
Yes.
Are you happy in your conjugal life?
Yes, sir. I am very happy in my conjugal life.
As you are living in Dhaka, so do you often miss your wife?
Yes, sir. All the time I miss my wife.
Always miss your wife. Thank you very much, Mr. Saidur Rahman. This is the
sir.
end of your speaking test.